Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to have you in this gathering and discussing one of the most important points for the city of Dubai, especially for the city of Dubai and other countries is looking to construct a lot of high-rise building. Dubai, one of the cities, has gone over a lot of projects related constructing of high-rise due of a very limited land we do have. And the vision of the city is to be one of international city and leading of a unique and landmark buildings. We are in Dubai Municipality as the government authorized department. We have worked to put number of requirements to ensure that our building constructed under a very high standard specification. From the consultant side to the contractor side, the rules and the system in the municipality that every consultant has to register to the municipality and submit the resumes of all the engineers and has to go through a process. And this process gives you the ability to open an office in Dubai. Meantime, the contractor also, they follow the same procedure, so they will be qualified to construct the buildings on the city of Dubai. Quality is one of the most important aim for us. We have not only licensed the consultant or the contractor, we also control the quality of material. We have one of the recognized laboratory. We certified any type of construction, from steel to blockworks to concrete. And during also the construction of the project, we have inspecting before any pouring of concrete for any building. As we are looking for the quality, we have not stopped on these requirements. Recently, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, Deputy President of UAE, Prime Minister Ruler of Dubai, announced that Dubai buildings will be converted to green building. And the committee has been performed to put the requirement of the green building. Green building is very important to us as a part of the environment requirement. And that's where we are going from this step now to our green building, and we have already instructed and brought the subject to our consultant. That's the new building and the existing building. We have to study it and to find how much we can convert this building as a green building. And as you know, Dubai also is not only going among number of the requirement, we also try to go and study other effects. It might be not directly to the building, but it might be sometime when we have, for example, earthquake. UAE is not in the zone of the earthquake, but we are very close to Iran. And Iran is one of the cities or countries has an earthquake. Therefore, in the Dubai Municipality, we have built a complete system to monitor any movement of ground. And this movement, it does give us information if there is any hazard gonna be affect our building on the design. Regardless, we are taking the safety factor of these structure design and the calculation. We are in cooperation with one of the American universities from California. They will have our own manual on the earthquake factors, but we are implementing the British standard nowadays. So all of this work is going in the city of Dubai, from the tallest building to other building, which is almost, we have licensed 2007 about 180 million square feet total built area for a number of buildings going to be constructed, which will last in 2007. We're expecting in 2008, the number will raise above 200 million square feet of total built area. With this amount of construction and this amount of buildings going to go in the city, the quality and the control is the most important. What I want to say that through the municipality, which is a lot of restriction is being put to put the quality in the top priority in the need of the city. So most of our building on the city here does go through this process of selecting the right consultant and the process of selecting the right contractor and the materials used for this building, all of them under the control of our laboratory. Furthermore also, during the design of this building, we have put another requirement for a building above 30 story. The second opinion must be taken from structural engineers. Besides that, the main designer should be another second opinion that's been taken. We are using all of these tools and these requirements to ensure that we are having, a first quality of the building from all the aspects. And that's where Dubai tried to go for the quality and aim to have the best. I'm sure this conference will highlight a lot of technical things. And these technical will be supported for a lot of the engineers and will give a lot of benefit for the developers. And we are strongly support type of this conference, and I hope that you gain a lot of this information. And I welcome everybody who is visiting our city for the first time. And if there's any further information they would like to have, we have a website, and we have one of the a very important website. It does give a lot of information for the developers, for the engineer, and for the contractor. And finally, I want to say, besides all of these things we are providing, that's Dubai Municipality. It's one of the leading departments in e-government. When I say e-government, that's a lot of the submission today in the municipality would go through the net, through the internet. That's either a consultant submitting from his requirement for licensing, pre-qualification, or building permit. All of that is go through the internet. Even the drawing, our capability of the system, even the drawing, which is with a high size of paper, that can be go through the internet, and that's one of the achievement lately we have done in the Dubai Municipality. Finally, I thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed your stay in Dubai. Thanks a lot.